Modern interior design emphasizes simplicity and comfort. Ceramic tile is commonly applied in various building areas, such as bathrooms, kitchens, elevator halls, staircases, and hotel lobbies. There's been a growing trend to use larger porcelain tile to create streamlined looks with improved durability. Compared to traditional tile, however, they are much heavier and less water absorbent. Thus, it is more difficult to keep them safely attached to the wall, as they have a higher risk of falling down. Larger tile also increases the cost of installation, so it is vital that the tile is tightly installed in the beginning. The growing demand for larger porcelain tile brings this higher risk of detachment to the fore. Let us first look deeper into the factors that contribute to tile detachment. Multiple environmental factors can lead to the detachment of ceramic tiles. First, temperature variation during day and night, or seasonal temperature fluctuations from hot summer to cold winter. Finally, areas such as kitchen or around heating devices are subject to sporadic periods of high heat. All leads to movement of the substrates and adhesives. These in turn induce adhesion failure between adhesives and tiles, leading to detachment. Another important factor that contributes to tile detachment is contact with water, for example, in the shower room. Contact with water reduces adhesion between adhesive and tile, which leads to tile falling down. Tile is also susceptible to vibrations at lift lobby areas or at staircases. The vibrations cause movement of the substrate, and the improper installation of larger tile is at a higher risk of detachment. Falling tiles bring the risk of personal injuries and unexpected renovations requiring extra material and labor. Cementitious tile adhesive is commonly used to install tiles to wall. Due to the uneven substrate surface and large porcelain tiles used, traditional thick bed method is still commonly used. While this may secure the tiles more strongly, the thick bed method requires more cementitious tile adhesive than under normal conditions, increasing installation time and costs. Polymers are the key component that forms strong adhesion between different substrates. Yet, only a small amount of polymers are found at the bonding surface in cementitious tile adhesive. This is why non-water absorbent porcelain tiles fall down by debonding at the back surface. In this illustration, the amount of polymers is represented by the small bubbles. The thick bed method is used to increase the amount of polymers and thus achieve better adhesion, but it does not necessarily increase the polymers at the bonding surface. Back Tile Adhesive offers a new and improved solution to address this problem. It is an easy method to zip tile tightly to wall. With just a single thin layer of Back Tile Adhesive, the tiles are now strongly adhered to the cementitious tile adhesive. The key is concentrating polymers at the bonding surface on the back of the tile. By using Back Tile Adhesive, the polymers are now localized between the tile and cementitious tile adhesive, which effectively promotes adhesion for secure installation. Applying Back Tile Adhesive is fast and easy. First, the back surface of the tile is cleaned to remove dust. Next, the Back Tile Adhesive is applied evenly on the back surface of the tile with a roller. Wait until it is mostly dry. The adhesive will feel slightly tacky. Finally, attach the tile on the surface of the wall's adhesive firmly. BASF's new innovation, Acronal 7808, brings Back Tile Adhesive to life. Let's take a look at a widely accepted test method in the market, the hammer test, to compare the impact resistance of different tile installation methods. This test compares traditional methods without Back Tile Adhesive, and with Back Tile adhesives using BASF's Acronal 7808. Utilizing the traditional method, the tile is easily knocked off in a few seconds in a large piece. While using BASF's Acronal 7808 as a Back Tile adhesive, it shows outstanding resistance to hammering. Only small pieces are coming off at a time, and it took a very long time to finish the whole tile. The results clearly demonstrate an increase in impact and vibration resistance, which leads to tile installations that are more tightly fastened and reliable. What is behind this huge difference? As we explained earlier, it is the concentration of polymers used for adhesion at the back of the tile. Now let's see how powerful Acronal 7808 can be under different environments by comparing the tensile adhesion strength. At room temperature, we see a fundamental increase of adhesion through application of Acronal 7808. At elevated temperatures, which commonly occur in hot areas like kitchens or sunlit walls, the difference is obvious. BASF's Acronal 7808 increases adhesion strength and highly exceeds globally acknowledged benchmark for cementitious tile adhesive of 0.5 megapascal. Tiles subject to contact with water, such as in bathrooms, also present a challenge in maintaining high adhesion. Application of Acronal 7808 highly enhances adhesion strength to meet market requirements. Last but not least, freeze-thaw cycling demonstrates our adhesive's performance in cold areas. Again, the control test shows very weak adhesion, whereas application of Acronal 7808 highly enhances tile adhesion, outperforming market requirements for tile installation. Under a variety of conditions, BASF's Acronal 7808 significantly enhances tensile adhesion strength to meet market standards, making it the perfect solution for large porcelain tile installation in various areas. As we have seen, BASF's Acronal 7808 offers a number of benefits that give its performance an edge. It ensures safe and durable installation of porcelain tile with superior impact resistance, significantly increased adhesion, higher water resistance, and resistance to fluctuating temperatures. We also do not compromise on sustainability. Acronal 7808 is free from APEO, ammonia, and formaldehyde, ensuring safe and pleasant installation in a long-lasting, comfortable, and safe living environment post-application. Acronal 7808 can be easily formulated into Back Tile Adhesive, making it the perfect choice for you. Acronal 7808, the easy step to zip tiles tightly to walls for greater assurance.
BASF. We create chemistry.